I don't even want to admit the amount of takes I did with this microphone turned off, but here we are, riding in the neighborhood. A warm 40 today. So initially this was teach me how to do a track stand, but now this is turning into the best backdrops to do track stands at. Somehow spawned in Rehoboth Beach, just like that. Just doing one-handed for now. Jeez. Oh. I made that comment about the backdrop. I didn't realize these 4 enormous birds sitting right here. Drop a comment below if you have tips on them. Love to hear it.